today. How are you doing, savages? Today I'm going to be showing you this bird that we found that now he can't fly, or she can't fly, because my cat basically injured it. And now it's getting better. We had it for like 3 hours or so. So, dang, my brother's mad. Okay, just ignore that. So I'm going to show you. Okay, let me just. Okay, poor little bird. Right. So you guys, that's my bird. Well, not my bird. We're gonna release him back in the wild soon when he gets better. So I'll keep you guys updated. See ya, and see you next time, savages. Bye bye.